Okay. Go ahead, Chloe.
Say thank you for everything.
Yeah.
I'm gonna miss you after. I love dance class so much.
Oh, it's okay, Mama. Are you gonna miss Jackie and Asia? Yeah? What do you like about dance class? Yeah. They're like your sisters? Yeah. It's okay. I'm gonna miss you guys too. Yeah? Go give them a hug. Girls, Chloe's gonna give y'all a hug. Go give her a hug.
We can still have sleepovers, don't worry. Don't worry.
Okay, Naija, your turn.
Hello. Ask me questions because I don't know what to say.
Okay. What are you gonna miss about dance class?
My friends, Chloe and Jackie and you.
Me? Did you enjoy having dance class? Are you sad that it's over?
Yep.
Yeah. They were like your sisters. Yeah.
Stop sleepovers, don't forget about that. Maybe this Friday, that would be a good idea, right?
Yeah, that would. Go give them a hug. Come here, Jack. Your turn. Hurry up before me.
What do I say?
Come here. I'm gonna ask a question. She's so hyper today. She has no heart. What are you gonna miss about? Shut up. What are you gonna miss about dance class?
Being with my friends.
Yeah. That's it.
Find it. Dancing.
Dancing. Okay. What else did I ask? Were they like your sisters?
My sisters? I don't have sisters, but yeah, you could say sisters. No, really, they are, because I have to live with this terrible monkey that I think should be experimented by scientists because he goes crazy sometimes. Wonder where he does it from.
You're so dumb. All right. Since you have no heart, go give them a hug. You guys are crazy. Okay. Tell everybody thank you for supporting y'all and y'all's dancing and everything. Tell them.
Thank you for supporting us and our dancing. Thank you for supporting us in our dancing.
She's so dumb.
Did I say it late? Yes. I love you.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.